In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Ria Money Transfer account in 2025. The process is simple, whether you are using the mobile app or the website. To get started with the mobile app, first download the Ria Money Transfer app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Create a Free Account. You'll be asked to enter your country, email address, and create a password. After that, verify your phone number by entering the 6-digit code sent to you. Next, you will provide your full name, date of birth, and occupation, along with any additional information required for your country. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Continue to complete your registration. If you prefer to use the website, visit the Ria Money Transfer website and click on Register. Enter the required details, agree to the terms, and click Continue to finish setting up your account. Once your account is created, you're ready to start sending money internationally with Ria. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.